Everyone, Ashley here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing another Redbird Vintage unboxing. Very excited for this. I was very good and I did my requests for the month and I remember some of them actually, because usually I have like zero recollection of what I requested. So I just broke the tape. Let's get into it, but first don't forget to like and subscribe. So, okay, let's see. It's very light this month and it looks like small. Like usually it like fills out more, so I wonder what's in here. Oh, interesting. Okay. All right, so as usual, oh, this is strange. As usual, you get like your little packet here with your handwritten note that always says, "We hope you love your stuff this month." And then they usually put a little extra thing, they tie the bow with it, which is like one earring or something that's missing a few stones or whatever it may be. So let's see what this is this month. This is a clip-on earring. And it's very weird. It's like a button shape. It has this like kind of looks like like a flower petally type of gold around the outside, but it has this weird like, I don't know if something was on here at some point. It kind of looks like it feels soft and fuzzy kind of. It's very strange. And it looks kind of like matted away or something. So I don't know if there was something on here and it got just like rubbed off over time. Yeah, it's very weird. It's not like hard, it's like soft, it's like fabric, like dirty fabric. So interesting. They just throw those in there because they can't really sell them, so that's, you never know what you're gonna get with those, so cool, you know, never know. All right, so we have one bigger bag here. I think that's, yeah, sometimes they get two bags randomly, so let's open and see what's in here. I do remember requesting one thing that wouldn't be for me. That wasn't for me. So I don't know if I'll get it though. Let's see. Okay. I feel like maybe it's another necklace. Okay, it's like a beaded necklace of some kind. Oh my. Okay. What is this? I did not request this. Oh, it's got a very pretty clasp bow. It's a little like rose or something. And I guess it just sits, I can just try it on like that. That's cool. I like that. So it's like, they're not white. They're definitely like a cream beads. That's actually really cool. I like that a lot. I like how it sits. It kind of looks like a cool collar. Yeah, that's really cool. And it's, usually I can't try this stuff on like that, but yeah, I like this. This is very cool. I never would have I've never seen a necklace kind of shaped like this, really. So yeah, this is cool. I like this, and it's light enough. I can't wear really heavy jewelry, it like hurts my neck, but this is like pretty lightweight. I like the color, I like the shape. Didn't request this, but like it a lot, so we're on a good thing. The thing I requested was bigger. The thing that wasn't for me is it's not in here, because I can feel it's a lot of smaller things, so that's okay. All right, looks like a lace choker. And I don't think I requested this. No. It's cute. God, will this fit around my neck even if I extend it? It looks pretty, probably. I don't see any markings of like who it's, oh wait, there's a little tag on it, let's see. American Eagle. Okay, because I definitely did not, because when you sign up for the box, it says, do you want like reproduction type things or no? And I said no. I only wanted like actual like vintage items, and this is obviously not, because American Eagle hasn't been around that long. So this is an American Eagle choker. Yeah. I don't think I could buy that at the mall, so that's strange. All right, let's see what else is in here. All right, here's a pin that I did not request. If I can get it open. Okay. Struggling. Okay, it's a little heart, a gold heart with kind of like a florally, it's definitely like one little flower in the middle, but it kind of looks like a ribbon or a banner behind it. It's cute. It's a little unassuming gold heart. It's cute. I like it. I did not request this, but this is cute. I don't hate it. I like it. All right, I think I have 2 more items. All right, this one. These are post earrings, post back earrings. And they're just like a gold kind of, they're not lace and they're not lace pattern, but they're kind of like that. That's what they remind me of. Very thin with a pattern that has a lot of spaces in it. And it looks like it has like maybe like, there's a lot of filigree on the outside and then maybe like some kind of foliage in the middle. But yeah, it's just gold and they just hang down like that. I don't mind them. I don't mind them. So yeah, I'll take those. And then there's one last thing. Oh no, wait, there's 2. And this I may have requested, but if I didn't, this is really good. This is another pin, and this definitely looks like more Art Deco. And I don't know if this is the top, yeah. I don't think it matters either way though. Yeah, it's just this like silver, very kind of ornate details on the outside. Like the way that the silver is, very pretty, love it. And it has this pearl background and then one little silver piece in the middle. That's really gorgeous, I love that. I can just see that also like at the collar as well as on, you know, down like on the chest stuff. That's really cool, I like that one. So far this pin and that long necklace, the favorites. Okay, there's one little thing left in here, a ring. I don't know if this is, Dear Ashley, okay, this is the right box because I definitely I asked for no rings. And this was the first ring I've ever gotten. So I think there might have been a mix-up because, yeah, I might have to email them and just ask because that's really strange. So here is a ring that could fit on my pinky, very small. And it's just like, I mean, it's pretty. It's like a rectangle, a green, kind of like an emerald rectangle stone in the middle with 2 diamonds on the outside. And then the band kind of looks like it has arrows on both sides. So it kind of looks like a bent arrow with the spears on both sides. Kind of has like a little spear on this side. So yeah, I don't wear a lot of different rings. I wear my vintage ring and I wear which was my 10th wedding anniversary present, and then my wedding ring and my band. But I don't really switch up my rings. So that's why I asked for the rings. So I think that they're, between this and this, I think there might have been a bit of a mix-up. I think they put maybe it was a different Ashley, I don't know. So I might have to email them and just, because I don't want to keep getting stuff like this that I didn't request. So highlights of this box. I do like this little heart pin, but definitely the highlights of this box are these 2. This necklace I really love, and this pin I really love. So very, very happy with these 2 items. Very confused by these 2 items because I definitely said no rings and I said only true vintage things. Some people, because they, you know, if you say reproduction's okay, things that are inspired by vintage items, they will provide those, but I didn't click that. So yeah, I might have to email them and see if this was the wrong box. This wasn't supposed to be mine. I don't know. It says Ashley, but maybe it's a different Ashley. So anyway, happy with some of the items in here. It's a bit of a confusing box. So anyway, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.